Michael, I'm so excited to be able to sit down and talk about this newly launched concept with Circadia that we've now been referring to as the House of Circadia.
Yes, the house.
Yes, so tell me a little bit about how we came up with this concept and really what it all means.
Well, I mean, clearly we've been working together now for many, many years, and you and I have had numerous conversations about what makes us special and unique and different, and what attracts all of our partners to us, and what makes, what's important to them. And we've really landed on what we are referring to now as these pillars of Circadia, pillars of the House of Circadia. And these 7 pillars are, what we feel makes us most attractive to our partners and what makes us most attractive to our clients. And these are the things that are most important to us as who we are. This is who we are in our DNA. So I'm excited to chat with you and share with our new and our existing partners what we feel is the most important parts of our company, our business, our brand.
I think it's important that you say even our existing partners, because there is so much about Circadia, and we'll talk about the pillars, but maybe some of that they don't even know is part of our foundation and the DNA of the company. So I think it's great that we're able to just present this out to everybody.
I mean, we have a lot to talk about. The company has grown very quickly. In many ways, we've kind of sprung up onto the scene for a lot of people. The brand has grown both domestically here and internationally, and the performance of the product speaks for themselves. So that level of visibility that we have now, a lot of what makes us so special and so unique and what has gotten us here seems to have been overlooked at times. So this is a really great opportunity for us to share with partners, again, both new and existing, what makes us so special.
Agree.